Rawskinceuticals, welcome back to my channel. I have a fun video for you guys, updates, announcement, chit chat, get ready with me. I've had a ton of people requesting for a get ready with me video because even though, yeah, like cooking, minimalism, ethical, all that stuff are really nice and fun to talk about, your girl still likes makeup and I still enjoy using makeup. So I have a very nice and clean face to work on, and that is all thanks to Folane, who is sponsoring today's video. Folane believes that clean beauty and non-toxic products are just as important as eating healthy, sleeping, exercise. Our skin is an organ, and it's actually our largest organ, and it absorbs about 60% of whatever we put onto it, which is crazy. Like, if you really think about that, does that make you want to rethink and look at all your products? What am I putting onto my skin, my body? What is my body absorbing? Is it good for my body? So Folane sells clean products that have good for you ingredients and that are very natural. Folane believes that you should never sacrifice your health for the sake of beauty, which is why they have completely restricted over 30 ingredients that are toxic and not good for you. I prepped my skin today and the day before and the day before and the day before with a clean essentials kit. Inside there are 4 travel sizes of non-toxic products. You got your cleanser, your toner, so much more. Everything you need to know is linked down below. This kit is vegan, cruelty-free, it's good for all skin types, and of course 100% non-toxic. This kit is normally $45, but the first 100 people to click the link down below will get it 50% off with free shipping, so be sure to act on that really fast. Thank you Folane for sponsoring today's video, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. For the sake of this video, because we're talking about like non-toxic beauty, I was actually going through my makeup collection and seeing what I had that was advertised as more organic ingredients, natural ingredients, non-toxic ingredients. So I have some here, but definitely I will be putting in an order at Folane for some of their makeup products. Quickly hit my face with the Savvy Minerals Misting Spray. Everything I'm using is listed down below. If you guys have a non-toxic concealer that you really love, let me know in a comment down below. I know that the Gabriel one people are loving. This is just my Becca one. It's not non-toxic. The more I'm reading up about just toxins in our makeup, in our skincare, I'm like, this isn't okay. So my announcement, and some people may be like, oh, seriously, that's an announcement? Darn right it is. I finally got a P.O. box. Literally like 2 hours ago. So many people the past years, like couple years, have been asking for me to start a P.O. box, to open one, and I was kind of like, no, no, no. And now I'm like, you know what? That would be really cool. I've also had so many people saying they want to send the baby something, and or just like a note of encouragement. That is so nice of people to think of me like that, to want to just send me some things just to brighten my day. Like, so my address to my P.O. box is linked down below. I'm gonna use my Nude by Nature translucent powder. I know Nude by Nature has a lot of natural ingredients in here, but I'm not sure if it's non-toxic, so I gotta look into that a little bit more. I almost feel like I have to do another makeup declutter. If you didn't see my last makeup declutter, I can link that video down below. Decluttered a ton of makeup, and now I'm like, man, like all of these have like toxic ingredients in them, and I don't feel like smushing them on my face. Like, it's just something that I don't want to do. If you do it, that's totally fine, but for me, especially someone who has kind of sensitive skin and is pretty acne prone, if I can stay away from toxic stuff, I'm all in. This is definitely non-toxic. Rawskinceuticals powder foundation. If you have acne, rosacea, a really annoying boyfriend, this is going to solve all your problems. This is vegan, cruelty-free, completely natural, non-toxic. So anyway, that's my announcement. All the info, my P.O. box address is down below. Threw on my brows, primed my eyes, and finishing my cookie. Oh, cookies are so good. And I threw food in the crock pot. We're doing good. Off camera. I'm just gonna do a soft eyeshadow look today. I'm going into my Nude by Nature palette. Just something matte and soft and pretty anyway. As for some life updates, can we all just like be wowed that I'm like 30-ish weeks pregnant now? When did that happen? I was gonna say, how did it happen? We all knew how it happened, but like, wow, that was just fast. Recently, I'm just starting to put myself in the mindset of you're going to go into labor at the end of the year, like as far as I know. It's always weird, like when you're first pregnant, it's kind of like, oh, sweet, yeah, and then you're like, I have to go through labor because labor is intense. And even for me, who I would say I've had easy labors, I've been actually okay. I have good healing and everything. It's still something that I really need to be like, okay, you're gonna be fine, everything's fine. Because it is really intense. Even if you're like a pro laborer, it's intense, it's totally intense. But I was talking to my sister-in-law who is due, and she said she was talking to a lady at my church, and that lady, I think it was her 4th kid or something, on the 3rd contraction, her child was born. Could you imagine? I cannot imagine. But I am feeling a lot of pressure down there. I'm feeling a lot of bowling ball between the legs down there. It's just it's tight and it's uncomfortable. And I'm feeling like maybe because of that, maybe I will be a little bit earlier. Maybe I'll have an easier labor. Is this all just wishful thinking? Probably not because of my history with labor thus far. I'm actually gonna use a little bit of my Dr. Hauschva eyeshadow. This is in the shade Amber. It's really, really pretty. Just gonna put a little bit of this through my crease, and I just wanna blend this all out really well. Also, still getting a lot of questions about when we're moving, because we really thought we can't have 3 kids in this house. And now we're like, well, maybe we can. So if you haven't watched some of my other videos, and I feel like I've talked about this, we're actually gonna stay tight, or hang tight. Yeah, we're gonna hang tight. Continually saving money, continually working on this house to get the most of it once we do sell and move to another place. So anyway, so we will be having the baby here. I'll be having my home birth here, and it'll be great. I love living in small spaces, but I can feel that it will be more difficult with another child. I'm gonna go back into my Nude by Nature palette. Sorry about this lighting. It is a cloudy day. So that's where we're at with the moving situation. I really do hope next year we'll get out of this house and just start somewhere new. Hopefully somewhere with maybe a bigger yard, or even just, we need someplace with more rooms, to be honest. Because me and Kieran don't even have our own room. Our bed is in like the main living area. Like that's how small our house is. And you know what? I really don't mind, because it kind of feels like a studio apartment when you walk in. It's kind of cool. I'm trying out the Pixie mascara. It says that it is cruelty-free, and it has bamboo in it, and it says vitamin E and some other natural ingredients. So this is the Large Lash mascara. Ooh. Packaging is cute. It says large lash, so give me some large lashes. Woo, those are some large, fluffy lashes, totally. Definitely the second coat is what makes them look super intense and large and fluffy. I'm gonna warm up my face with my Gabriel powder. This is just in medium beige. This is non-toxic, man. This is a beautiful makeup product, and I use this all the time. So I'm just gonna really warm up my face. I'm always lighter on my face than the rest of my body because of my SPF. Anyway, so this time around I really don't have any inclination if it's a boy or a girl, and to be honest, I don't even really like care. I mean, I've never really cared. I've always kind of had like a bit of a preference, but it's kind of like, well, I'll get what I get, and like, sweet. But this time around it's like, well, we'll see what we get. We have one name each, so that'll be awesome. I'm really, really excited. I'm gonna use my Nude by Nature blush. This stuff is so pretty. This is in Desert Rose. And just pop this onto my cheeks. I'm into like quite a heavy flush recently, which I know maybe I shouldn't be. It's just so pretty. I think especially being more fair and then having blonde hair, it's just really pretty to me, and I like it. I'm sure some people are like, wow, she's wearing way too much, but I like it. I also picked up, this is by Pure Cosmetics, which has a lot of natural ingredients in it. Cruelty-free, vegan, and also gluten-free. This is their Afterglow highlighter, and it's like amazing. Like, oh my word. And I like going just above the brow. I think it's really pretty. And yeah, a lot of people are saying like, Sarah, we love the new content. And then I'm having some people that are like, I'm kind of missing the beauty videos. So hopefully I'll be able to throw in some get ready with me's and just fun videos still featuring makeup, because I do still really, really enjoy it for sure. But I just don't want to be, ooh, there's a hair. I just don't want to be limited. You know, it's no fun being limited. This is beautiful. No fun being limited. This is Sonic Truth by Marc Jacob. It definitely is not non-toxic, but I want to get some bite lipsticks because those look really cool, and they're all like super natural and pretty. Thank you all very much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to check out full lane down below, as well as all my links, my P.O. box. Very, very exciting, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!